Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, new day, second day, and I haven't shown you about the remain of the manure. I've transferred from this pile to this pile, yeah, and here, yeah, and yeah. I have done it because I wanted to improve my trees, my brushes. They have a more harvest. Yeah, I don't remember this word harvest. I would like to have a more harvest, more rich harvest. But today I'll have another job, and I would like to share with you the what kind of job I will have today. Um, First of all, I have a lot of timbers and not trees, but yeah, like these trees and this kind of trees, these trees. Uh, yeah, I would like to create the like trees in order to burn them in my banya. Yeah, because they are useless anymore. But I would like to share with you. This is my garden, right? And here we are uh, plant the potato, and but this is a remain of our I don't remember this word, furnace. Okay, let me check. Right, fence. Yeah, this is a fence. This is not fence, but we have the path here, and we have one side of the fence here because 1 or 2 years ago we had chickens and ducks, and they walk here. But now all of this, land we will be. I think we are going to plant here potatoes as well as here. Yeah, and that's why I have to, uh, remove all of this fence and this one, especially this one, and yeah, that will be my job today. Okay, in order to remove this fence, I have to use axe, and also I have to use this metal stick. This is a great tool for, yeah, to remove all of this fence. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have done it. I remove all of my fence, and I would like to show you. Okay, okay, look at this. This is a completely clean area. Yeah, without any fence. Yeah, good job. Yeah, I would like to show you one of the most useless things on the world. Oh yeah, look at this fence. Look at this gate or door. I don't know how to say. Okay, right? I go, but I can walk here. Look, yeah, I have to remove this gate as well. Okay, guys, I think you remember my fence, and look at this. Oh, what is turned into? Okay, all of this piece of trees, all of my um, fence turned into this piece of trees, and I think tomorrow, yeah, I will cut it, all of these trees, all I will cut it and make the, some things to burn my banya. Yeah, and I will show you a little bit later. So I'm gonna to start uh, you know to make some order, because this pile of trees, this is not prepared, it is not ready to cut them, because they have a lot of the nails, like uh, here. No, you don't hear. Like this one. Yeah, and if I cut it, uh, you know uh, my chain in my tools will maybe not broken, but it will be not so I don't know how to say in English. Yeah, I will post this word in the sharp. I remember this word. I recall this. Yeah, it's not. It won't be so sharp. Yeah, and okay, let's get started to do it. Yeah, we we have a evening right now, and I think I should to wrap up my job. And as you can see, I've start to cut my timbers and create all of these chunks like this. Yeah, and tomorrow I think I'll continue on my job here, this pile, this huge pile, and yeah, I have a lot of job. And yeah, I will make the same video in with this place. Yeah. Thank you for watching me today. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.
Uzaktırdı atım şapmadı, buruluştan şak şak atladı. Kandıranlar dağı, avluranların şeşkelerge kumip bulmadı. Kandıranlar dağı, avluranların şeşkelerge kumip bulmadı. Uzaktırdı batın şapmadı.